Hey guys, my name is Omnia. This is OmneyasWish. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Alright, so today I'm working with two dips, Cascade Colorworks. We got Azure, which is like a medium blue. And we got Pegasus, which is on the site. It kind of says it's a topper. It's just like a shimmer. So what I'm going to go for is some denim, the denim looking nails. So I'm going to get these on. I'll only show one nail because it's, what are you going to see from this? And then we'll do some nail art and try to figure it out from there. See if we can get the denim look. Maybe do some 70s nails. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I'm sure I'll make it harder than it needs to be. But let me get these going. Nothing special going on. And I got my double dip liquid that I love so much. So I'll be back and we'll do this. Alright, shut up, Andrew.
Okay, quick voiceover real quick. This is such an easy look. It is 2 coats of Azure, which you're going to see. I'm only showing you one finger because it's a solid, nothing special, just dipping in twice. Clean around the cuticle. I'm actually just going on my skin, not dragging it on the nail. I used to do that and I realized I was pulling product off the nail, so I just tried to drag it on the skin and not poke underneath my nail. It happens. It hurts. So another coat. I didn't really need to do this voiceover because it's just so self-explanatory. Yeah, dip it in, dust off. I let it sit there and soak in a little bit before I go wiping away. Like with the other fingers, I would leave it on there and then dust off. You've seen that in other videos. There, and now dust off. Super easy. Pretty blue. That would make a nice sky. So now we got Azure. Azure. Dip. Pegasus. And I got out my glitter base coat. I'm going to put 1 coat on each nail. I'm only going to show one nail. And it is going to transform this mani, but you're not going to see it right instantly, like right now when I pull it out. It's pretty, but now I'm going to finish off the rest.
Okay, it's all done. Just hasn't been top coated or anything like that. Doesn't it look like denim? I swear it looks like jeans, like a stonewashed jeans. Something about that Pegasus turned this blue into denim for me. I don't know. So I was gonna go with this whole 70s vibe. I still am, but I'm gonna go with the softer vibe. I'm gonna do, there was some jeans that had like lace in the bell bottoms, so this is the one that I picked out. I'm just gonna do 2 accent nails and some bling and keep it simple. I mean, I've been here for like 3 hours. Well, not 3 hours. What do you call it? Pulling stuff out, getting everything ready, blah blah blah. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna use, this is the one I was looking for before when I did that one with Aggie. So alright, I'm gonna shut the fuck up now, so otherwise I'll just start yapping. This is from Triple D. I think I got it in a Diva box.
Okay, so quick note. I didn't read the bottle. I just grabbed it. I was glad I found it. And I put it in for a cure. I cured it 60 seconds. And I put the foil down. I don't know if you noticed, like it slides around. Usually it will have like a grip. The minute you drop it, it ain't budging. You're gonna... So yeah, that happened. But it worked out fine. You know, I was able to scrub it. It still kind of wanted to slide around a little bit. Didn't have the tack that I thought it would have. In these oils that I've had them for like 2 years. Maybe they lost some of their pigment. I don't know. But it gave a soft look. So I'm going to do it again on the thumb. And it was when I was had the thumb in the lamp. I was just sitting there, like, looking at the bottle, and then I noticed it said 30 seconds. And I think I was at like 35, and I pulled my thumb out real quick to, do it to see if there would be a difference between the 60 and the 30. There really wasn't much. It still slides around a little bit, but it still worked. It still transferred. It wasn't complete, but that happens when your nails are curved. You're not gonna get it 100% complete, but that's fine because it's got negative space on it. So there it is. And from a distance, it kind of has like a stone-washed look to it. Like after the video's done, that's when I noticed, like in the pictures. And oh my god, I was struggling. I was hoping that the oil glue would help me with this one. Just trying to put down this silver. And this is sped up. I think it's sped up to like 4 times. And I'm just trying to get it straight, and then it looks straight from one angle, and then it doesn't look straight from the other angle. We gotta pull it up and try to straighten it out. Pinch down those sides and cut them off. Cut them a little shorter than the edge of the nail, especially on the sides. Like right in there, it's kind of hard to get a file in there to, smooth it out. Take it off. So now I'm going to put some base coat down, and I'm going to use these little dotted silver striping tape things. This is Sparkling Co's base coat. I like their gels, but I noticed my finger is sore after using it. I don't know why. So I just wanted to seal that oil so I didn't bump it. And so I put base coat over it, and base coat on this one so I'd have some tack. And this was another plus budget of a nail. Trying to get it straight, and then I finally realized it's my damn finger that isn't straight. These scissors, I could not cut it for the life of me. It's not that they're not sharp, I was having trouble getting right into that crease. So I pull out the big nippers, these ones, and I got it done. Yep, I'm going to seal that with just a strip of base coat down the center. Trying to push down that edge right there. Just going to clean a little bit of... Oh no, I'm still trying to get it straight. Yeah, that was a struggle, but it's still easier than striping tape. Wipe off a little gel that I have on my skin and cure it. Just gonna quickly, just gently file that tip off to make sure it's not there anymore, like that bump. And yeah, that's about it. Now we're just gonna add some bling and some top coat, and I will be back for final thoughts and final looks and pictures.
Okay, I am done. I am cuticling, oiling my cuticles. My hands are so freaking dry. Just gonna leave it to be greasy, and then it can absorb in a little while. So this is it. Yeah, it looks like I just dug into some KFC or something, but I don't know, I like it. I think it's cute. I didn't go overboard with the bling at all. I just struggle with those little bead things that you can barely see. Those are hard to see, but I didn't go overboard at all. And I think the lace was a nice touch. I had so much out to do, like loud 70s, smiley faces, everything. I did give this a shot yesterday. That's how I knew these were going to work together. But the amount of layers that I was putting on to do it, because then I wanted to do the, like with gel paint, you know, like it was a shredded knees and stuff like that. This is like the skin color. I was 4 hours of dipping in with different layers, you know, putting down a little bit of _𝑂𝑚𝑛𝑒, then go around _𝑂𝑚𝑛𝑒 with some alabaster, then go around with Azure twice, and then go around with Pegasus. By the time I got to filing, I was freaking exhausted. And I was like, nah, I ain't doing this. This is way too much. Way too much. So I knew this was going to look like denim because I had tried it yesterday morning. Well, all day yesterday, I should say. And yeah, I don't know. I think I should do more instead of just doing a nice little mani. I don't know. Just trying too hard, you know? But I think this is enough. But definitely give these two a shot if you like dipping and you like Cascade Colorworks. Azure and Pegasus is going to give you this nice denim look. And then if you just want to leave it denim, you got a nice denim look. Or do a different accent now. But I think it's cute. I think it's pretty. It's not too over the top, kinda. Bowling's a little big, but hey. Anyway, so that's it, guys. I hope you liked this. I hope I can edit it right. Oh, there was so much. I hope I can edit it and do it justice. So, yeah. Thanks for joining me on my journey of trying to do my own nails. And yeah, thank you. Thanks for coming by. And remember, if you're new here, like, subscribe, do all that YouTube shit. And y'all have a good one. Bye.